In this video, we'll cover light refraction. And note, this is refraction, not reflection, right? What's going to happen in light refraction is light's going to get bent. It's going to bend. All right, so we have a ray of light here coming through air. It's traveling straight, isn't it? It's that spot right there. Now, what will happen if the ray enters a heavier substance like water? I'm going to put water here next. Watch what I do. Now it comes down here, and at that point, it leaves from air into water. This is heavier, right? Water is heavier than air. What happened? Did it go in the same direction? No, it bent inward, didn't it? Yes, going from the lighter air to the heavier water caused the light to bend. This is the direction it would have gone if it hadn't bent. Here's the actual direction it would have bent, inward. Now glass is heavier than air, isn't it? So we're going from air to water. Let's go to something even heavier and see what happens. It's going to bend more, isn't it? If you want to see how much it bent more, watch. I'll go back and forth. There it is with water bending more with glass, right? Bending with water less, though, than with a heavier glass. So you can see it bent in even more with glass. So refraction is the bending of light. The bending of light. Refraction. Do you remember the normal line? We have a surface here, and the normal line is at point X is a line perpendicular 90 degrees. We call this line here a normal line to surface A at point X, 90 degrees. We're going to need that now. All right, we'll go back here and start again. This ray is coming through air, which is light, right? It says here, when light enters a heavier substance like water, it bends toward the normal line. So first let's draw a normal line right there. See it? It's perpendicular to that surface, it's 90 degrees, and there's your normal line. Now this says, when light enters a heavier substance and it is entering heavier water, it bends toward the normal line. Watch, toward the normal line. So normal line is here, isn't it? Didn't it bend this way? See how it came toward that normal line? When you go into a heavier substance like water, the light ray bends. It bends toward that normal line. Okay? Now be careful. The next slide has a slightly different title. Looks the same. When light enters a lighter substance, it bends away from the normal line. Okay? Here, would you agree we're coming from water heavier into lighter water, or lighter air, aren't we? Sure. Let's first draw a normal line, same thing at that spot, perpendicular line. Now it says it's going to bend away from the normal line. Doesn't that mean this? Can you see it? The ray would have gone here, but it bent out here, didn't it? Away from that normal line. See it? All right. So that will lead us to some rules. Refraction rules. From lighter to heavier, bend toward the normal. From heavier to lighter, bend away from the normal. Here's your video code. Now we'll demonstrate this here. Let's say light passes through a heavy layer. It starts with air, goes into glass. It can go right through the glass, can't it? Would you agree it's lighter to heavier? Glass is heavier to lighter? Sure. So here's your ray coming through the lighter. What's the rule for lighter? Lighter to heavier. Light, heavy, right? We're going to bend toward the normal. There's your normal line. There's where it would go. Otherwise, if it didn't bend, it's going to go light to heavy toward the normal. Didn't do that. It came down toward that normal line. See it? Now it's going to pass right through the glass. And now, isn't it going from heavier to lighter now? It is. It's going from heavy glass to lighter air. What's the rule? Heavier to lighter. Bend away from the normal. All right, let's do it. I'll draw another normal here. Hey, and it bent away from it, didn't it? It bent away. So look what happened here. We started going this way. We went into the heavier. We bent down this way. We came out. We bent back. A temporary kind of a turn to the left, wasn't it? All right, so that's about it. To see, here are your rules. Refraction is the bending of the light, and that's it. Bye.